7 tekem zapored neporažen. K temu dosežku pa je Zavrčanom delno že pomagal tudi Albert Riera. 33-letni nekdanji španski reprezentant sicer še ni pokazal vsega, kar zna. Njegov cilj pa je, da pripomore k prvi lovoriki v zgodovini kluba.
Mallorca, Bordeaux, Manchester City, Liverpool, Galatasaray in Zavrč. Morda se sliši neverjetno, a to je, z nekaj vmesnimi postanki, nogometna pot Alberta Riere.
Football is the same everywhere, just it's true that changes. Bit the talent or the rhythm of the game.
Čeprav se je najbolj uveljavil pri Liverpoolu, se najraje spominja igranja v Turčiji.
My 3 years there in Galatasaray were very good. I felt very, very important and I won the trophies. For a player, that is what you want to win.
In lovorike želi osvajati tudi z Zavrčem. Haložani so trenutno 5., za vodilno Olimpijo pa zaostajajo za vsega 7 točk. Izenačenost ekip v samem vrhu je po mnenju Španca prav tisto, kar slovenska liga potrebuje.
So it's good that there are not only 2 teams like in the history that is or Olympia or only Maribor. No, it's important that González also doing good and Nova Gorica is still, at the moment there and has a good team. And then we are also there.
Riera priznava, da pred prihodom v Zavrč ni vedel veliko o Sloveniji, a se želi čim prej prilagoditi.
I want to know as many things as I can, starting for the language.
Are there some words that you already picked up?
Well, I know some words like when you are alone, that it's important that it's some, and then dobro.
Takšna zanj tudi slovenska hrana. No, ne ravno povsem slovenska.
Yeah, well, you have these sausages that are special here. How do you say that? Chivi. This one.
A bolj kot balkanska kuhinja ga navdušuje slovenska duša.
Usually happen in countries, small countries like that, no? That people is open and is very handsome and take you like a son.
Sina, za katerega upajo, da Zavrč ni le vmesna postaja, preden se še enkrat poda v širni svet.